Forex Market Outlook, October 7th, 2025 Gold, Oil, USD, and Market Moves. Hey traders! If you're trading blind this week, you're going to get caught in the chop. This is your full market playbook for Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, and I've got gold, oil, Forex pairs, and the global macro story all wrapped into one insight-packed info. Top story: data blackout equals volatile USD. The US government shutdown is still dragging on. That means no major data releases, no NFP, no CPI nada, which leaves traders hanging on to Fed speeches and guesswork. When fundamentals go dark, sentiment lights up the charts. Expect whipsaws on USD pairs, especially if yields start dancing. So how should you play USD? Don't just jump in. Wait for confirmation candles, respect key zones, and remember, no news is not no risk. It's unpredictable out there. Gold record highs or overbought trap. Let's talk gold. Gold's been flexing hard lately, record highs, major FOMO, and still, people are loading in. But here's the warning. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Yields rising? Dollar bouncing back? That's where gold might catch some heat. Oil prices inch up, but supply worries linger. Quick one on oil. OPEC Plus gave us a tiny supply bump, about 137,000 barrels per day starting November. Market yawned. Why? Because demand is still questionable. Oil's been a ping-pong ball between fears of oversupply and whispers of stimulus. So for US dollar to Canadian dollar or oil-linked FX like NOK, watch oil closely. Weak oil could drag those pairs down. Eurozone sentiment rebounds. Slightly. Here's a twist. Eurozone investor sentiment actually improved this month. Could the euro bounce? Maybe. But France's political tension is still a drag. How to trade a data-light market. Here's the key takeaway. This week is not about making bold bets. It's about survival and precision. Smaller lot sizes. Tighter stops. And for goodness sake, trade what you see, not what you hope. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you're serious about staying ahead, and drop a comment. What pair are you watching this week? Stay sharp. Trade smart. And may the pips be ever in your favor. Catch you in the next one.